Hey guys, so I'm back with a tutorial, and today I'm recreating a Valentine's Day look that I did a few years ago. I want to say it was in 2014, but I created this look with my Naked 2 palette, and most of you know what this palette looks like on the inside, but it's the cool tone palette. I wanted to recreate this look for a few reasons. One, most people have this palette, so I wanted something to be easier, easily accessible, something that most people already own. The second reason is that I really love this look, but the first time that I created it, I actually had a really bad quality video editor on my computer, and the camera that I have now is actually better quality than I had in the past. So I just wanted to kind of make it better quality, I guess you would say, filming quality, so that you guys can see what it looks like on camera and everything. Obviously this is more on the dramatic side of a Valentine's Day look. You can wear a bold eye with bold lips as long as you neutralize the rest of the face. It's all about balance. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, and I don't know, just follow along, or if you just want to watch it to just relax, then please go ahead and keep watching the video. I'm going to take the Balms, put a lid on it, eyeshadow primer, comes out like this, and I just apply it onto my eyelid area, going all the way up to the brow bone. Always make sure that your eyelid primer is set, which means it's nice and dry before you apply any eyeshadow onto your eyelid. First, I'm taking the shadow called Tease, which is right here, with a fluffy crease brush. I'm going to put that in my crease as my transition color. And I just go back and forth. You can do windshield wiper motions or little circles. I'm taking white Decay, which is right here, with a small shadow brush. Oops, wrong color. And I'm going to apply this all over my lid. Getting the eyeshadow busted right here. I'm gonna take some of that and just apply that to the very outer part of the lid color. We are gonna blend this into the crease just a little bit, but patting it very gently. Taking a crease brush and taking that color and just gently, softly swirling it into the crease, just to help blend it all together. I'm gonna now take Booty Call, which is this beautiful color. This is an E60 large shader brush by Sigma, and I'm going to apply that onto my brow bone. I'm also going to apply that into my inner corner. Now I'm going to take Blackout, which is this matte black color, that one, and a little bit of, what is this, Busted, I forgot the name. I'm going to do some detailing in my crease. So I'm taking this $1 e.l.f. angled brush. I had to emphasize $1 because it's a great deal. So I'm barely touching this black color, by the way. Like seriously, the tiniest bit, because black is a very, very dominant color. So I'm just going to go ahead and, I've applied my liquid liner to guide me. And I'm just lightly touching the outer part of my eye and and going inward. Now I kind of started it off camera like a dork, but I'm going to take that color gently and just sort of blend it upward, just slightly, just blending it in. Busted with this angled brush, and we're gonna go ahead and put that underneath. And you can apply as much or as little as you want of this color. I applied the Ardell Adore lashes in the style Lola. Applying mascara, this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. Just gonna bind these lashes together. And do the bottoms. So I already have my foundation done. I did bronzer and stuff at the beginning or before the video. And now I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted Scented Blush. This is in the color Charming, and this is what it looks like. I really need to clean this. It's just terrible, but we'll use it now. I'm just going to dip it in there and then apply that. Becca's Pearl Highlighter. That's what it looks like. Perfusion Cosmetics lip liner in Desire. Perfusion Velvet Matte Lipstick in Desire. Okay, so it kind of broke on me a little bit, so I'm just gonna... So you can leave the lips matte, or you can put a gloss on top, which I think I'm gonna do. I'm doing the Milani Brilliant Shine Lip Gloss in Red My Lips, number 12. And it's just a pretty normal lip gloss. The red. So this is the entire look. It's a very sultry, dramatic look, but I think it's pretty fun to play it up during a holiday like Valentine's Day, whether you are with bae, and bae could be a man, or you're with your girls. Let me know what you guys think of this tutorial, and if you have any suggestions for any of the future Valentine's Day looks that I will create, please let me know. Let me know if you want something softer, if you want something more dramatic, if you want certain colors, just let me know and I will try to incorporate them into my next look. So see you guys again very soon. I love you. God bless. Bye.